Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to finish giving my review on the, Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. I currently do not have it in the room with me. I don't know why, but I don't have it. But I just wanted to give my final opinions. I did a demo. I didn't want the video to be super long, so I ended up splitting it up. So yeah, so basically I love how thick it was. One of the cons I would say is it doesn't have a lot of slip. I know it seemed like it had a lot of slip. It honestly doesn't. I had to spray a lot of water on it to kind of get it to have some more slip, so I would kind of suggest doing it on drench so it can wet hair like in a shower or something. But you know, I don't do recording in the shower. It's too hard, and yeah, it's easier just to wet my hair and come back and show you guys. So my hair was wet. It wasn't like almost dry. It was wet, but I had to spray a lot more water to kind of get it dripping for me to be able to detangle it. And I still had to go in first to finger detangle it before I actually put the comb, because I didn't want it to cause unnecessary breakage, because it still didn't have like that great of a slip. I love the smell, but it really did moisturize my hair. Like, I love it. Other than the non-slip part, which is something I would be like, oh, I just need to like thoroughly detangle my hair beforehand. I really loved it. It smelled great. It did what it was supposed to do. It moisturized my hair. Is it worth $20? Like, I kind of can get the same results like using another deep conditioner that's probably like half the price. The only thing that I probably wouldn't be able to kind of like replicate is like how much curl definition I had when I rinsed it out, whether it was like almost dry, because when I put the leave-in conditioner in, my hair wasn't soaking wet. It was like, I want to say like between like 70 to 85% dry, and I still had a lot of curl definition. So that's probably like the biggest pro to me, other than like being super moisturizing. It really clumped my curls. It really defined my curls. And yeah, I would say like just try it out, see what you think. I would definitely purchase it again, but this is one of the conditioners that I would use sparingly. I wouldn't use it every week, just so I can like make it last throughout the day, because I used about probably like a little less than a fourth of the container for my entire head. That's what me piling on. You know, I'm like product heavy, and my hair. Oh, just remember, and my hair really it really soaked it in. Like, I put a lot in my hair, but when I took off my plastic cap, you really couldn't see it until like I started to rub my hair. So, what's going on with these twists today? So yeah. Also, I will be doing a separate video on my hair. If you can't tell, I will show you. We'll talk about it anyway. But anyway, thank you guys so much for clicking on my channel, clicking on this video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment below what you think of this product, if you tried it, if you want to try it, and if you want to see me talk about like my new hair color, because I don't know if you can tell, but you'll tell when I post the next video if you guys want me to. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.